right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. It's the closing bell on Wall Street, and the numbers, well, pretty much of a yawn of a day, but we will make it exciting for you nonetheless. We will not yawn. If I say yawn one more time, I will yawn. Joining us, of course, Rob Williams, Newsmax Finance Deputy Editor. But first, let's look at the closing numbers. There they are, 1 arrow green and 2 arrows red. The Dow up 16 points today to another record close, closing at 18,225, and the NASDAQ down a point, and the S&P down a point as well. All right, Mr. Rob Williams. Yes. So tell us what happened here. Janet Yellen, a second day on Capitol Hill. She didn't move the markets at all?
Yeah, she stuck to the script that she basically outlined yesterday and that we also saw in the Fed minutes last week. And so it didn't rattle anybody, which is a good thing. It basically said that if they are going to raise interest rates, they'll let the market know well in advance.
Yeah,
yeah.
Right. So basically what you said yesterday.
Well, right.
Yeah.
And so, markets were very flat today on very low volume. So it isn't, buyers didn't show up, but neither did sellers for that matter.
Now, on the oil front, oil rose 1.5%, about $50 a barrel. Saudi Arabia said something again?
The oil minister of Saudi Arabia said that he sees a pickup in demand, and so that really helped give oil prices a lift.
Although U.S. inventories are the highest they've been in, 80 years?
Well, that's right. They haven't been this high since the United States back in the Depression started to stockpile oil, because back then they were afraid oil was going to run out.
Right.
So now we're at 80-year highs. The output also is the highest since 1983. So we keep pumping oil at a record rate.
No, when you have those that combination, you wonder where the demand is going to come from. It certainly doesn't look like it'll come from the U.S., although the driving season starts soon, right? And
we have some seasonal factors ahead of us with summer coming, the driving season. Yeah.
Now we had mortgage applications, we had new home sales data. How was the numbers there?
Well, housing still remains a bit lackluster. The mortgage applications, although they did rise, new home sales were down, and they're down from last year, and so we haven't seen a lot of momentum there quite yet. Just a little bit in terms of at least the jobs picture is improving.
And when I ever think of Hewlett Packard, I think of Carly Fiorina, but she's not there anymore. Hasn't been in a long time.
Meg Whitman is in charge.
Meg Whitman, I'm sorry. Yeah. So anyway, down 10% today for earnings.
Last night they reported earnings. They were very disappointing, especially in desktop sales, and they blamed the stronger dollar. It makes it hard for them to sell products overseas, and then anything they do sell looks a lot weaker when they do the exchange rate back into dollars.
Right, and so coming up, we have unemployment claims, the weekly jobless numbers coming out tomorrow, because I can't believe tomorrow's Thursday, but it is. And durable goods orders and consumer price index, and these are weekly, or the durable goods aren't weekly, are they?
No, that's a monthly report, right? The only weekly report is the jobless claims, and those are expected to stay under 300,000. The 4-week moving average, which kind of is less bumpy, is at least declining, which is a good sign.
Yeah, it's a good sign for Janet Yellen too. So you don't want it declining too much, or it's good news is bad news for the market, bad news is good news, the whole thing. All right, Rob, we appreciate it. Thank you very much. And for those of you who follow Apple down 2.5% today to close down 338 at 128.79. I don't know if they're going to have that event. They were going to unveil the watch. They said in February, but February's gone already. Maybe April. Maybe I misread it. Anyway, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you would like to take control of your financial future, you go to NewsmaxFinance.com, and just love it when they put Barack Obama up on the page. What more could we ask for? Anyway, there it is, NewsmaxFinance.com. It's a new address for the web there, so make sure you check it out. Give Me 5 is next.